Howdy y'all, Andy McCabe here, sitting at the airport at 6:31 a.m. catching an early morning flight to Salt Lake and then to Denver, Colorado. Mainly just testing my camera setup. I want to talk about something that's come to my mind over the last couple days that really shouldn't be an issue, but somehow it still is. I'm not sure how many of you out there are aware that there are vendor groups, preferred vendor programs for almost every major carrier out there. In that, as part of being in that vendor program, you get referrals to insureds who've suffered losses. It's the same in the auto repair industry as it is in the property repair industry. And there's nothing inherently wrong with having a preferred vendor program. But let me tell you what really is bothering me is I'm a part of a Facebook group that is a consumer advocacy and contractor advocacy group. That group gets together and helps each other out, whether it's best practices, education, or just being there for each other. The ups and downs of our industry are well documented, and it sometimes helps just to have another person there to understand what you have been through. What we have seen over the last 3 years is carriers and adjusters getting into that group and then going to looking for people who are on their vendor program and going to them and threatening those contractors with removal from their preferred vendor program just because they are members of a Facebook group. Now, it sounds ridiculous to say, and I wish it was not true, but we have hundreds of accounts of people getting phone calls and emails threatening them for removal from these programs because they are members of a Facebook group. Now, is that right? Is that okay with anyone? It just doesn't taste right. It doesn't sound good. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right here, does it? But it's happening, and it happens every day. We came out with a national map of group members a couple of years ago, and almost immediately we had people emailing and asking us to remove them from that group because they have been threatened, their business has been threatened with no more referrals. We will remove you from our vendor program if you persist on this map. Now, I'm old enough to realize that if someone's being a bully, if someone's calling me names or threatening me, or exhibiting any level of this type of insecurity, it says a whole lot more about them than it does about me, doesn't it? So let me ask you this question. Why are they so afraid? What is the threat? Now I know in my heart, but I'm going to let you figure that out. Why would a national vendor program for a billion-dollar company target mom and pop restoration companies for removal from their vendor program because of their membership in an online social media platform? Anyway, hope this comes through. Testing my new mic. Hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you.